get started with digital marketing but don't want to break the bank? You're in luck. Today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 free digital marketing tools you need to grow your online presence, whether you're a total beginner or already have some experience. First up is Canva. Canva is a free online design tool that allows you to create stunning graphics for social media posts, to presentations, and even logos. The best part, you don't need to be a graphic designer to use it. Canva's drag and drop interface makes creating professional looking designs super easy. Whether you're crafting Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or even infographics, Canva has thousands of templates to choose from. It's perfect for beginners who need high quality visuals without hiring a designer. Next up, MailChimp, one of the most popular free tools for email marketing. With MailChimp's free plan, you can manage up to 500 subscribers, create beautiful email campaigns, and even track the performance of your emails. Email marketing is one of the highest ROI channels, and MailChimp makes it easy to get started. Whether you're sending out newsletters, promotional emails, or automated sequences, MailChimp's drag and drop builder is user-friendly for beginners. If you have a website or blog, you need Google Analytics. This powerful free tool helps you track and understand your website's traffic, where your visitors are coming from, how they're interacting with your content, and which pages are performing the best. With this data, you can make informed decisions to improve your site's performance. The insights from Google Analytics will also help you adjust your content strategy to drive more traffic and engagement. Managing multiple social media platforms can be overwhelming, but Hootsuite simplifies the process. With Hootsuite's free plan, you can schedule up to 30 posts at a time and manage 2 social media accounts. This is a game changer for those of us trying to stay consistent on social media. Instead of logging into Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or TikTok individually, you can plan and schedule all your posts from one dashboard, saving you time and energy. Finally, we have Ubersuggest, a free SEO tool created by Neil Patel. Ubersuggest helps you find keywords, analyze your competitors, and improve your SEO ranking. If you want your website to appear on Google's first page, Ubersuggest is a must-have tool. Not only does Ubersuggest provide valuable keyword suggestions, but it also gives insights on backlinks, domain authority, and content ideas to help you rank higher in search results. So there you have it, 5 incredible free tools to kickstart your digital marketing journey. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Or if you're already using any of these, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. And subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tutorials.